Hi, I'm Kristen Baraboo, owner of Bend Beyond. Today's Inferno exercise is ice skaters. Ice skaters strengthen your legs, glutes, and core and provide a great cardio boost in your Inferno class. Remember that form always comes first. So take your time in this one. Establish the proper alignment and then pick up the pace as much as you can, keeping with that good form. There is a lot going on in ice skaters. So let's take a closer look at key aspects of the form so that you can avoid common mistakes. Ice skaters, get a nice wide stance here, much wider than shoulder width. Make sure your toes point straight ahead, not toes out or toes in, but heels invisible behind the toes, strong legs. Arms out to the side, shoulders down away from your ears, and right from the get-go, engage your core, your powerhouse. Lift in your pelvic floor, pull your navel in, keep a strong powerhouse throughout. Reach for opposite toe as you push your hips back behind you. Look forward and keep a neutral spine alignment. Notice that the weight shifts completely one foot and then all the way to the other foot, giving the legs and the glutes maximum opportunity to engage and strengthen in this awesome exercise. A common mistake is to stay center with your weight, not bend the knees, and hunch at the spine, creating a rounded spine and an unengaged core. Instead, bring your chin away from your chest, engage your core, neutral spine, bend your knee and send your hips back behind you as you shift your weight all the way to one foot and then all the way back. As you get better at this exercise and you've got the alignment, you can pick up the pace, getting a great cardio boost in your Inferno practice. Keep these tips in mind next time you make it to your mat, and we hope you'll get more out of your practice with us. See you soon.